Hey everyone, it's Krystin and welcome back to a new week of DIYs. Thank you guys so much for all of the support. Honestly, I was not expecting it on this new channel. So you're only gonna need a couple of things: paper, markers, something to glue or stick with, and whatever you want for your blind bag, like your gifts or your surprises. So first thing what you're going to want to do is draw out your Adopt Me eggs. Now, of course, you can make these any design or theme that you want. And for the paper, you are just going to want to make sure, you guys, that you can rip it. So you're not really going to want to do this with plasticky, and you're also not going to want to cover this with tape. So we're going to go ahead and just color all of our eggs. Okay, so once you have everything colored, then you're gonna wanna go ahead and cut all of your shapes out. So we have 4 eggs to cut out. You are gonna want to take your time with this so that you do cut around them pretty perfectly, because this is going to be the final shape. So just make sure you don't have an edge or anything, because you are gonna be gluing on the back side of this. So you want this to look completely cut perfectly. Okay, you guys, so all the hard work is is kind of done. Now we're gonna be able to get this all together. So what you're gonna wanna do is take some blank paper of the same type of paper that you used for the front part. Take your glue and you're gonna wanna glue the edges. Now make sure that you do not glue the centers and make sure that you do leave a space at the top or the sides so that you are gonna be able to add in those surprises once we're done. So you guys will see the little entrance area, so you will be able to put in your gifts or your treats at the top. Alright, so I'm using M&M minis because they are super teeny tiny and I literally had these in my cupboard. So what you're gonna wanna do is gently pull that area that you left open and just kind of pour in your snacks or push down the present that you are adding inside. You guys, so we have completely finished all of our mystery blind bags. So you can't really hear it, but it does sound like a shaker. And all you're gonna wanna do is rip these and your prize will fly open. It's pretty fun, super easy to do. So make sure to give today's video a very big thumbs up. And hopefully I'm gonna see you all next time. Bye guys.